Enjoy a comforting plate of Chinese chicken and green soybean stir-fry, made with tender chicken and green soybeans, tossed in a light, savory sauce. This dish brings together everyday ingredients with classic Chinese flavors, giving you a balanced meal that's both satisfying and incredibly easy to prepare. Perfect for a quick dinner or lunch, this stir-fry is loaded with protein, texture, and aroma. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a home-cooked dish that tastes fresh, bright, and delicious. Chinese chicken and green soybean stir-fry. Packed with flavor and easy to customize, it's a perfect meal for beginners, only costing a few dollars per serving. It's simple to make and delicious for a perfect homemade dinner. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.